In this video, I'll show you how to add any website to Google Search Console. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so adding your website to Google Search Console, which is formerly known as Google Webmaster Tools, will give you valuable data about your website's performance in Google search results because for one, Google Search Console gives queries lead to your site and your site's position in search results and how often users click through to your site. And this information alone helps in understanding your audience and optimizing your content for better visibility, all right? Because here, you can see which pages from your site are indexed by Google and identify any indexing issues. It allows you to request Google to crawl and index specific pages, ensuring your content is discoverable by search engine. So how do we do it? First, we're gonna go here at Google Search Console. So here we have the options to add a domain or a URL prefix, right? So I've already added some prefix here. All right. Say, for example, this is our website. We're going to copy my website on WordPress. That's my domain. Say, for example, that one. And all we're going to do is click on continue so that the verification process will start right here. All right. And all we're going to do is verify. All right. And once you verify that, remember that adding your website to Google Search, all right? So there's a problem with the link, but once you verify that and adding your website to Google Search Console and regularly monitoring the provided data and reports can significantly improve your site's visibility, address potential issues, and enhance its overall performance in Google search results. But basically, that's how you add your website to your Google Search Console. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.